we are doing lesson, what do you call that? Lesson 19, the video lesson that you watch, and tutorial worksheet 29. Time flies, right? And then our learning objective is made on three things: fraction, ratio, and percentages for P5 to A. Okay, we have a fair bit of extra question we can do. So I'm trying to do as much as possible. Okay, we see how things goes. So I need all responses to be out to the chat function. So please participate well. All right. Okay. Let me go through all this correction first. To change this to a decimal, you put it as over 100. So you need to times 2. And so you get 8.02. Okay. This is 8. Okay. Yeah. See, yes. Okay. Next question. Magdalene bought 2 kilograms of flour and she used 800 of them. What was left is 1,002 grams, right? So what was the percentage? 1,002 over 2,000 multiplied by 100%, and that give you 60, right? C for that. Next question. The price of calculator was $60 and it was before discount, and then discount was 20%. So what will be the price if, let's say, there's a 20% discount? So 20%, that means you need not have to pay the 20%, you just need to pay the 80%. Okay? Next one, for this 80%, 80 over 100 multiplied by 60, okay? Because the original price is 60. So 1, 2, and then you get 48 is the payment answer. That is for 8. So far, okay? Yeah. Is A correct? All right. Question number 4. Let me check. Here is A, C, A, correct. Okay, Miss Lim, this one are easy one. That's why I go a bit faster. Okay. And I noticed not all of them do homework. Why? Let me see who are they. I record down. So wait, let me, where's my, Xin Yi did work. Xin Yi did, Jayden Jervin did work. Corinne did. Miniat also did. Remus and Irene. Casey, please, can you key into the system now? Last week also, last week you didn't, this week also didn't. Why? You did the paper, but did you key in? Okay, I saw. Irene, I saw yours. Is Shreya didn't, okay? You just did key in Remus, now go and key in. If you didn't, then you do it now. Okay? 快点 Okay, let's come back to this question. Question number 4. Give me 1 minute, please. Okay. He says that Miss Lim paid for 7 books, 4 pencil, and each book costs 4 times as much as a pencil here. Okay. So if the pencil is 1 unit, then the cost of the book will be 4 units. So if the pencil is 1 unit, then the 4 pencils must be 4 units. If each book is 4 units, then the total books will be 28 units. So when you add them up, you get 32 units will be meant for this, right? So if you have a 32 units, which will give you 128, how much more did she pay for a book than a pencil? So that means technically he's asking you for 3 units. How I know it's 3 units? Because he paid for a pen, a book is 4 units. A pencil is 1 unit. So the diff will be 3 units. So you technically find 3 units using the overhead bridge. Okay. Okay, let me check. Remus, you key in already, huh? Just only, is it? Let me check. Remus. Very good. So where you get these answers from? You did it only this today, right? Okay, Remus. Let me record this. Okay, so for this 3 units, you just need to use 128 divided by 32 and multiply by 3 units. Okay. Okay, so 128 divided by 32 times 3, and you get a $12. Oh, I think I did see. I wrote on the wrong page. Okay, for this. All right, so far okay or not? Am I too fast or not? Shouldn't be, because all this you should be done. So I'm just going through. If you have corrections, got question, you have to stop me. Okay. All right. Sharon's allowance was 40 and her allowance will be increased. All right. By how much? 25%. The following week, that means next week. So he wants to find the after that. So that means originally it's 100%, which will give you $40. And you need to find the 125% using the overhead bridge, right? Then last time we said, this one I don't want to repeat. Many students will be with me before then. They have to listen to me for like so umpteen times. They are sick of it. Okay. Unless you have problem, you need to ask question, then I welcome question. If not, you don't ask, then I'm not too sure you know or not. Okay. Javin, on your camera, please. Casey? Casey, turn on your camera. Have you key in, Casey? I'm checking Casey. Let me check. Okay. Just key in only. You got some unattempted there. Why like that? Try to do. Okay. Next question, number 6. Michelle placed some beans in a container. 24% of the bins are red. So this is red. Green will be 28% and the rest are blue. So if we will talk about, if I were to place them into column, then I will have red column here, green column, and a blue column here. 24 are red, so I put it as 24 unit. 28 are green, and the rest are blue, so I need to use 100 to minus 28 and 24. Minus 100, you get 48 unit for the blue one. Okay, so he's doing comparison with blue and green. Blue is 48, right? Green will be 28. So there will be in the difference of 20 unit. Okay. So for these 20 units, you will get to 15. And he's asking you for how many in a container. You just need to find 100 units. So you reduce, divide by 5, 15, 5, it will be 75. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Oops. 75. Okay. So that's for question number 6. Question 7. Question 7 probably. Okay. Okay, Casey, yes, please do so. Xingyi, are you here already? Yes. Okay. Yeah, please go. Yeah. Can. That's why I say I didn't see you in the, wait, let me check. Xingyi. Okay. Jaden, are you following the lesson or you're looking at something else? Switch to my page, please. Okay. I can tell whether you are listening to me or not, okay? All right. Okay, this one probably I'll make it smaller so I can write more. Oh, sure. In a cinema, 9 of them of the audience were adults. Okay, so I have to put it here in such a manner. Total audience 9 unit. Okay, I'm going to put it this manner. And 9 of them, total is 9 units. And then it's break into adults, which is 4 units are adults. 1/4 of the adults, that means 1 unit of them were women. So I got to write here women and men. So men will be 3 units for sure already, right? Because 1/4 are women. So what is the diff here will be 2 units difference, right? Because he said fewer men. Oh, no, I don't want to find this difference. I want to continue with my children. Okay, but children will be 5 units, right? So they are comparing men, which is 3 units. Children will be 5 units. So this will be a diff of 2 units. So for these 2 difference, it will be 160. And so if I need to find the fraction that is for total number, total number will be for 9 units. 160 divided by 2 times 9 will get down to 720. Wait, 5 units, 2 units is this. So we need to find, he didn't want 9 unit. He want the women, which is 1 unit. 6 units instead. So